Minecraft is like a giant sandbox where you can build and explore whatever you want. When you start the game, you appear in a big world with mountains, forests, oceans, and even deserts. First, you need to gather some basic materials, like wood from trees. You punch the trees to get wood, then use the wood to make tools like a pickaxe. With tools, you can dig into the ground to find stone and other materials. If you dig deep enough, you might find coal, iron, gold, or even diamonds. Remember to build a shelter before night comes because scary monsters like zombies and skeletons come out in the dark. You can use the materials you've gathered to build a house to keep you safe. Use your crafting table to make things like doors, windows, and furniture for your house. You can also tame animals like dogs, cats, and even horses to be your friends. There's so much to explore in Minecraft. You can go fishing, farm crops, or even travel to different dimensions like the Nether and the End. The most important thing is to have fun and let your imagination run wild. You can play by yourself or with friends, and every time you play, your adventures can be completely different.